So we just made it to Philly for my pre-op. For those of you who don't know, I'm getting a rhinoplasty tomorrow. Colin's with me. It was like an hour-and-a-half ride from Bethlehem. This is what my nose looks like right now with absolutely no contouring. I know a lot of you guys, I like to say this because a lot of the comments are, you don't need one, whatever. Please leave your comments to yourself. I've always hated the tip of my nose because it's really fat. There's no definition for like a tip and nostril, so we're redoing this whole thing. And my bridge is fine, obviously it's straight, but maybe if they could just like narrow it a little bit. You see what I'm saying? Anyways, we just got here to Ardmore, PA. It is such a lovely town. And I'm with my mom. Mom, say hi. My mom drove us and Colin's with me. And my friend Rachel meeting us tonight to come with us tomorrow for the surgery. I'm not nervous at all. I've been getting asked, how are you like not nervous? And it's because this is something I've wanted for so long. I've been so insecure about my nose since I was so little. You guys don't even understand. I used to write like theses, like really big, thick papers to my parents at like 12 years old, asking them if they could let me get a nose job. Day has finally come. I'm in Philadelphia, PA, and I'm gonna get my nose done tomorrow. Yay! So I'm currently in the office. I told my mom and Colin to sit in the waiting room because I don't want them to help come up with what I want my new nose to look like. I don't want them to influence that at all. And I just feel like if they add in their opinions, it could just turn into like a really confusing session. I already know what I want and what I'm going for. I have my pictures ready on my phone. We're also gonna compare my face to celebrities that have similar features to me and like a similar before nose so we could see what would look good on my face. We are comparing my face more to like ethnic celebrities like J-Lo and Isa Gonzalez because their before noses look a lot similar to mine. We're just looking at a bunch of people who have similar before noses to me. And then we're gonna evaluate what we're gonna do tomorrow. I'm really excited. Here's just like another look at my nose. For those of you who can't see, it's just like this thing like I don't like. I know I explain it a lot, but. Okay guys, so this is my doctor, Dr. Bloom. He's awesome. He's gonna be doing my nose for me. We just dissolved the filler that was left in my nose. So now I'm like really stuffy and stuff, but as you can see, my old nose is coming back. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. So we're out to eat at this really bougie Mexican restaurant right now. My mom's choice. And they make guacamole right next to the table. That is so awesome. I've never experienced this before. I'm gonna try this. Make your plate. Maybe a little bit more like chips for this. That is so fresh. Hey guys, so we're back at the hotel and I'm with Rachel. I'm such a good friend. Rachel came all the way over here from New Jersey for my surgery and I got my love and he brought Super Smash Bros to the hotel and we're playing that tonight. I managed to get like this suite, this Marriott suite that has a bedroom here for me and Colin and like Rachel or someone's gonna sleep on the couch. And my mama's room. Hi, mommy.
I'm waiting for Dad to call me back.
And they both have like, okay. They both have bathrooms and vanities, which is awesome. Sweet deal, yeah. This hotel is right by the hospital, so that's why I chose it. I'm gonna sit this right here for a second though. I'm gonna tell a little story. about my ear because you guys are probably wondering why my ear has been taped in the last vlog or two. And that's because when I was in the Florida Keys, while Colin was getting his tattoo, my earlobe ripped. And so tomorrow when they do my nose, they're also gonna stitch my ear. Guys, I'm so scared to show you. Ow. Oh my god, it's stuck to one flap. Oh my god, guys. I have a vagina lobe. Ready? Set. Ew! Guys! Wait. Oh my god. Yes, I'm gonna put this band-aid back on. If it even sticks back on. Hopefully it does, because I don't want you guys to have to see this. So I just took off all of my jewelry, and I have like this really weird protocol for tonight. I was supposed to take off all my makeup, and I can't wear any makeup tomorrow. Can't wear deodorant, can't wear perfume, but I need to shower with Dial soap tonight.
What?
I don't know why. Dial soap. And then, yeah, I take off all my jewelry. It was so sad. I had to take off my promise ring. Everyone was wondering what the ring was on my left finger. That's my promise ring. So yeah, I had to take off my promise ring, and then the Cartier ring, the Tiffany's ring, the Hermes cuff, and the Swarovski bracelet, and the Henry Bendel necklace. Ah! It is literally paining me to take that off. And Colin's so cute. He brought, okay, this was one of my 7 Christmas presents he got me. He made like a little scavenger hunt for me. He's so cute.
Shameless flex.
Shameless flex. He's so cute. He brought this with him, and he's gonna keep it lit like while I'm in surgery. I think that's like really cute.
We know what happens if it goes out.
Oh my god, you dick!
Means Gabby's dead.
No, stop. Stop it. Stop it now.
Okay, if you die, I'm dying with you because
We got arrested together.
you go down, I'm going.
I feel
So save like a little bit.
a fork soaking in like a sink full of suds.
A fork.
Good morning, guys. So I just woke up and I washed my face with my Dial soap, and now I am going to the OR. I'm really excited. I woke up really excited. Like, I thought I would wake up so nervous. I like woke up smiling.
So excited.
Like, finally, the camera, Mom. I just want my nose to look like right here. I want it to look like more feminine. This is like the last footage of like this nose. Guys, I'm just really good at contouring my nose. This is like what it really looks like. So, I know a lot of you guys say like you would do anything for my nose because it's straight, but you don't go through the things I've gone through with having a fat nose, so.
Once you're asleep, Dr. Blue will add local anesthetic or numbing medicine in your nose. We'll titrate in narcotic pain medicine so that you...
I'm so nervous I have to shit.
No, don't.
I'm so nervous.
Kelly. Yeah, he's fixing her.
How are you? My fellow. The video taping.
Oh,
The video.
do all that while we're here. Yeah. I love what you know. Bye, I love you. See you when you wake up.
I'll see you. Bye. You're gonna be okay.
What do I do with this?
And all this stuff is gonna be put away then for her.
What would she like? There are kitties.
Are you trying to get in here? I'm
Nope.
blocking.
What would she like? This is really cute. And it's like, you know, it's like rotated up and then it falls a little bit due to gravity, but like.
Oh, you got her nose right now.
Yeah, oh yeah, we have that for you.
Oh, cool. Oh, she's gonna love watching
But like,
all
yeah,
this
but
stuff
we
there.
like narrowed it.
Me and Debbie are so excited to watch this.
Wow, there's a lot of videos on there.
She reads scholarship doing it. So are you happy?
Yeah, wow.
Baby.
Oh. Here you go. You feel tired?
Cold?
Tired. It has a ribbon on it, so it might be a little hard to open.
Your ear looks better.
Let me try to open this for you. No.
He doesn't even look small. Oh, that was so cute. That was the cutest little reaction.
Look at this little smile you have. Mm-hmm.
He wanted that
I
fishy.
had a dream I was at the beach.
Yeah, he said that when you woke up. That was the first thing you said, was that you were like, I had the craziest dream.
I was at the beach with Colin.
Aww.
We're back at Key West.
Really?
Yeah, my dream.
Oh, here. Here you go.
I'm not doing anything
now.
I didn't do anything, I just feel like... Crab? I got a fishy and a crab.
Get you a crab? Because you're a crabby?
Let's go back more.
I don't know. It might be good to keep you up so everything drains down. For a while. Are you cold or are you okay?
No, as soon as I woke up, I'm sweating my ass off. They didn't even give me, I had no anxiety. They didn't even give me the anxiety medicine. They just had me walk right onto the operating table and lay down.
Good. Really?
Yeah.
You just like walked right up?
Yeah,
You like
they're
your fishy?
They're like, you're not nervous at all.
Can we just roll her up in a blanket and throw her there?
Somebody sign there. That's just my copy. One last blood pressure. Get your ID out.
Oh my gosh.
I'll put her in a chair and we'll wheel her on out as soon as she's ready. You have the folder? Yeah?
In the past, you used to take all that stuff off.
Nope, we can, those are really good oxygen readers that we have.
Gab, you know who you're gonna see when you get home? Lily.
Apparently they didn't give me any painkillers. I don't feel anything on my ass.
Just like they give you a little. Let me take this cuff off you. Okay.
We're going to sleep.
So, I'll get your clothes.
Can you say that again?
Mom, can I FaceTime Nikki?
What'd you bring?
Oh, she moved. We stayed overnight. That's why.
No, she means in the back.
What?
She brought your bags over and she said, what'd you bring? And you said, my boyfriend.
All right, so
Oh.
your boots are in here. All right, go, let's get you dressed. We'll FaceTime her in the car.
No, I want to FaceTime her like this. Funny.
So proud of you.
I'm so happy.
You're gonna be even happier.
Yeah, but I'm so happy.
You're gonna be even happier when you see it.
Yeah.
None of us have seen it.
Mishaps in the car. Did you see the videos of the surgery?
No, he showed us like little pictures and stuff.
Showed
Yeah,
us like a little bit of
looks cool. We're gonna get them.
My veneers look awesome in those videos.
Here, honey.
Your socks.
Oh, you got water. You're thirsty, huh?
If
All right,
you
Gab.
feel sick, let me know. Okay, I got it.
You did it.
You did it.
I did it.
You did it. Proud of you.
Thank you.
You did it, kiddo.
I did it.
Oh my god.
You dizzy?
Lily.
You hear the puppies? Are you home? Oh, you have your fishy.
I have my fishy.
Yeah. I gotta take care of you tonight.
I can't believe I just did this. Hey guys, so I'm done with surgery. I woke up at the hospital feeling great. Like, this doesn't hurt. I don't know if it's because like they gave me something. I have no idea how that works. But the doctor sent me videos of the surgery. He said it went really well, and he said that he thinks that he achieved what I'm looking for and what I want, and that's all great news. And I am barely bruising right now. I mean, tomorrow is probably gonna be a different story because it's like the day after surgery, but right now, like, it's just this guy right here. But he has these really cool arnica patches on my face to make sure I don't bruise. He was really prepared and he was really excited about it, so I'm really excited about it. I'm watching Sex and the City movie right now. Rachel is over here.
What'd you say?
And Colin is over here. And yeah, we're watching Sex and the City and I'm recovering. It's gonna be a week-long recovery. I am gonna keep posting vlogs this week. Hi! Hi!
Guys, look how stupid this
Oh! Say bye-bye. This is Buddy, guys. This is Lily's brother. So it's the next morning and Lily has been like not so nice. So Daddy's giving her a little talk and explaining to her that I had surgery and that I'm not a zombie and I'm not gonna hurt her. And I think she's understanding because she's being really sweet to me now. Good girl. She was like scared of me, I think. Good morning. So I woke up with no pain at all. Never took a painkiller, nothing. I don't understand. A lot of vloggers who get their noses done, or like people on YouTube are like, oh my god, I'm in so much pain and are crying, but my nose doesn't hurt at all. Look at me and Lily. We just had a photo shoot. Look at her. But before I end this vlog, I'll give you like a little sneak peek of what it looks like by taking this gauze off. So this is just a gauze right here that I tape on my nose. And then these are little arnica pads to make sure I don't bruise, and I feel like it's really been working. But this is a sneak peek of my nose. It's obviously like bloody in my nostrils. Colin was like cleaning it out with hydrogen peroxide this morning, and he put like the little solution on my stitches. I'm really happy with it so far. My lips have been really, really chapped. There's like crusty blood everywhere, guys. I'm really sorry if this is too much, but yeah, my eyes are a little swollen, but not bad. Me and my nose are gonna meet for the first time next week, so you guys are gonna see that. The song 7 Rings is not out yet, but me and V Squad plan on making a video to that as like my first like beat face like thing with my new nose, so I'm excited for that. So yeah, that was my nose job vlog. I always wanted to make one of these. I had no idea I was actually gonna have a nose job vlog ever. Like, it's something I always talked about but never did. But yeah, I can't wait to meet my nose, and yeah. I'll see you guys in my next fancy vlog.